Most men don't realize this, but losing that natural morning firmness is often one of the first quiet signs of aging, a signal that's easy to ignore. You wake up softer, feel less drive, and tell yourself it's just part of getting older. But there's more to the story. I'm Dr. K, a board-certified urologist, and I've spent decades helping men over 60 restore confidence, energy, and performance. Today, I'm revealing the simple, often overlooked pressure points just below the belt that can dramatically improve circulation, helping you wake up stronger, warmer, and more alive each morning. Morning firmness isn't just about the bedroom, it's a critical signal from your body about circulation, nerve health, and overall vitality. When it fades, it could mean slowed blood flow, shifting hormone levels, or weakened pelvic muscles, changes many men quietly endure. The good news: activating these to precise pelvic floor points can restore blood flow, awaken nerves, and help your body reclaim what it's naturally designed to do, all without invasive procedures, complicated routines, or special equipment. Just 2 minutes a day, done safely and calmly, can make a noticeable difference in days to weeks. The first point sits at the midpoint between the base of your testicles and the anus, a spot many men never consider. The second lies along the inner edge of your sit bones, a zone that tightens with stress, prolonged sitting, or age. By gently pressing and holding these points while breathing deeply, you signal your body to relax, improve oxygenation, and support natural nocturnal erections. This isn't magic, it's biology working in your favor. And combined with movement, strength training, hydration, and quality sleep, many men rediscover warmth, fullness, and confidence in the morning, even if they thought that phase of life was long gone. Your body isn't broken. It's waiting for circulation, attention, and care. These two simple points are your doorway back to energy, vitality, and self-assurance. And it only takes minutes a day. If you're ready to reclaim your mornings, your health, and your confidence, join our community of men over 50 discovering real, lasting change. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your body respond in ways you never expected.